track of that. In between, you keep seeing to the side. Good evening, all. We are here. Before I wind up, and before we start, or before I wind up, I'm saying wind up. No, the thing is, I wanted to tell that at the time of wind up. I wanted to tell that, and I'm saying before we wind up. Durga, remind me, no, at the end of the session, ma'am, you wanted to say something. The exam fee defaulters we need to discuss once again. There's something important which sir wanted to inform now. So Sai sir has taken this initiative to see one thing, whatever colloquiums we are starting with, it is not that the person who is taking it is very perfect or he is a master of it. It's just that little bit of whatever we know we are sharing, they are ready to share with us. So it might be that there is something learning in that. There might be something which we already know. There could be something which we might be learning. So keeping that open in our minds. So let us now give it to Sai sir to help us learn something out of this session. Over to you, Sai sir.
Good afternoon, madam. Thank you for giving this opportunity. As madam said, I am not a master in this model. Just what I have explored, as this is the need of the hour. So in that process, I have explored something and I have learned. So little bit of knowledge which I have gained, I am trying to share with you.
Sai sir, excuse me, sorry to interrupt. Can you add Deepa ma'am? She's waiting.
Oh, okay. I'll. Still anybody? The topic is module and effective communication of e-learning resources.
Sai sir.
Madam, sir.
Sai sir. మీరు కొంచెం దగ్గరికి ఉండి మాట్లాడండి కొద్ది మీ వాయిస్ చాలా బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది వినపడట్లా
ఇప్పుడు మేడం నౌ ఇస్ ఇట్ ఆడిబుల్ హలో
now it is audible.
Yes.
Yeah, now it is audible.
Okay, madam.
Yeah, it is audible now.
Okay, madam. Okay, let us start with the session. The topic is module and effective communication of e-learning resources. The outcomes of this session would be definitely we are going to gain some knowledge regarding Creative Commons and how to use Moodle, that is add an activity or resources. Okay, first let us see what is meant by Creative Commons and what is the purpose. We all are well aware in terms of research, we are having the jargon called as plagiarism, where if you are extracting any sort of work from the other person, the other authors, we are supposed to give certain credit to them. We have to mention their details, name, their whatever they have done. All those things generally will be mentioning in research. In the same manner, if any sort of pictures, images, JPG files, documents, videos, audio files, video files.
Okay. Sir.
Sai sir, sorry, you have to be closer to your device and speak, otherwise it's not audible.
Now, madam? Is it audible, madam, now?
Okay, better than before, but it can be a little more better.
Okay, I will try with
headphones. Sir.
Sir, earphones petkondi. That would be helping.
That would be helpful, yeah.
Okay. Is it fine, madam, now?
Now it is very clear.
Okay. In research, we all know that there is plagiarism.
Increase the volume a little.
Actually, I am working on my friend system, so.
Achha.
Now, madam, is it okay?
Better.
In research, we are having the jargon plagiarism, which says that whatever the work we are using, whatever the work we are obtaining from other work and we are extracting and using that, we are supposed to give credit to them. In the same manner, whatever the picture images, document files, video files, audio files, MP3, etc. Even for that also, we are supposed to give credit to the actual owner who has created it. So there is Creative Commons licensing. There are 6 types of Creative Commons licensing. Let us see that. The first one is attribution CC by. This figure, if you observe, it is saying CC by. This attribution CC by is the most recommended and accommodated Creative Commons license for all such sort of materials which are being used. This attribution CC by allows the user to make use of the original creation or extract from the original creation and make certain developments and modifications according to his requirement, and he can distribute it even commercially also, but by giving credit to the original work or the actual owner. The second one is attribution no derives, CC by ND. Here, if you observe in this image, it is there as equal to. This equal to means that the work which is extracted from the actual owner or the actual work and the modified work whatever we are trying to do, there should not be any modification. Only we have to make use of that, but no modification should be done by the user. That is attribution CC by ND. This work can be redistributed commercially and non-commercially. The next one is attribution share alike. That is attribution CC by SA. This is an addition to the first one which we have discussed, attribution by. If you observe here, CC by and there is SA, share alike. So the user, for example, I am using any content, any audio file or video file or any image extracted from Google, the owner will be the different person. If I can make certain modifications.
Sai sir,
Madam.
Sai sir, I'm very sorry, but there is no image which we are able to see, and you're explaining the content which is there in the image. No, I'm sorry.
No,
We
I am
are
not
able to see the
explaining the same
image.
content. I am trying to image you are able to see, no, on the content attribution share alike.
No,
CC
sir.
by.
We are not able to see
We are
the
not
image.
able-
actually.
Not able to see.
No, we're not able to see. That is what.
I think the slide is stuck.
Yeah, it is stuck at that only. The first
Now?
one.
Now,
No,
No.
No, sir.
Creative Commons license we are seeing, sir.
are they only,
We
sir?
are
First
seeing the
slide.
first slide, sir.
you're seeing the first slide only. Okay.
Yes.
Creative Commons license.
Then I have to share the screen once again. I have given what do you say, hyperlink.
Maybe.
Okay.
Yes, sir. We have to
Now?
share.
Now?
No, it didn't come.
No. Okay, 1 minute, but I should go back and share.
Okay.
Now? You are able to see, madam, now?
No, sir.
No, sir, that image is not coming. What you wanted to show, that is not coming.
No, there is one PDF file opened. Is it visible?
No.
No, sir.
No. You do one thing, Sai sir. Close this. Again, go to shared screen and use the PDF. Open the PDF.
Okay. No, madam, it is not functioning.
I think it's a problem in your system, huh?
Might be. Actually, this system is my friend's system I'm using. My camera is not working, no, so I borrowed my
Sir, you
friend's.
share this PPT to us on the group and you keep explaining, then we can see what are you telling, no? Like
No,
that.
I have given hyperlink to that document.
Oh, okay. Okay. Because it is telling product activation failed. It's writing, it's there like that. See,
Where?
PowerPoint in bracket, it is telling product activation failed. So maybe the link is not activated on your screen itself.
Anjali is also waiting in the waiting room. You have to let her in.
I am here.
Sanjisa.
Usually what happens is even when I am the host, our concentration is on the meeting, so it doesn't go on the waiting room. Until someone tells, our concentration doesn't go on to the waiting room.
Now the file is visible, madam.
No, sir. That PPT only is there.
అవునా?
Now it is.
Now, see, that there's only some 4 PDFs that you wanted to show.
Okay, now I think it is visible. It is showing me as you are screen sharing.
Yeah, it will open, I think.
It is showing as your internet connection is
Yes.
unstable.
Now it has.
Now it is.
It is visible now. Hello,
Yes, sir. It's visible.
visible no?
Yeah, there is something called as some of the authors have
Attri-
for that one only.
Attribution CC by.
I'm not able.
Chapter December to attribution 60.
Yeah, now it has come. Now it has
Okay.
come.
Okay. Okay, madam.
Why am I not able to see?
It is just come now.
Yes. Right now, yes. Yeah, now it is.
There are six.
Abstract.
There are 6 types of Creative Commons licenses. The first one is attribution CC BY. So this attribution CC BY is the most recommended and accommodated licensing for any sort of files which you download from Google or from through internet. So this attribution CC BY license says that the user can make use of the original creation which is done by the other person, make certain modifications and distribute it. You can disseminate it even commercially also by giving credit to the actual owner. The next one is attribution no derives CC BY ND. This CC BY ND says that the original creation should not be modified. No modifications must be done. Only by using that the same document or the same file, we can share it. We should not make any sort of modification. That is CC BY ND, no derives. Here equal to symbol represents no derives, no modifications are allowed. The next one is attribution share alike CC BY SA. This is slight different from the first one which you have discussed, attribution CC BY. Here there is an addition of SA, share alike, means whatever the content that has been taken, modified and distributed. And at the time of distribution, the user can take the new license according to the same terms as which he has borrowed from the other person. Means, for example, I am taking any file from some X person. So I have modified and I am distributing it. I am using for commercial purpose also. At that time, if I want to give the license to the document, it should be as CC BY SA. Attribution non-commercial CC BY NC. Here, if we observe for the dollar symbol, there is crossed. So it represents that it should not be used commercial. It is non-commercial. So whatever the original work which is extracted, that can be used according to our convenient, and we can make modifications, but we cannot use it for commercial purpose. And this CC BY NC says that if the user wants to take license for the creation which has been done, for that there is no share alike. He can give as CC BY or CC BY SA, like that he can give. There is no restriction like share alike. The next one is attribution non-commercial share alike, that is CC BY NC SA. So the user can take the work, modify, and he can disseminate it even for non-commercial purpose also in same terms as SCA is there. In same terms only he can take the license. Next one is attribution non-commercial, that is CC BY NC ND. So this cannot be used for commercial purpose and no modifications are allowed even in this. The last one is no copyright, public domain. CCO is public domain. If on any document this if it is mentioned as CCO, then it says that the author or the original work, the person who has created, he has completely waived off the right. The content can be downloaded, it can be modified, it can be used commercially or non-commercially. It is of free. It is totally public. So these are the 6 types of Creative Commons licenses which we are supposed to observe and make use of. For example, I will show. Now is my PPT visible? Madam, PPT is visible? Raghu sir, PPT is visible?
No, sir. It will take time.
PPT,
You
no,
close
content
this?
is visible. Content is visible.
PPT is
close
not
this?
visible, sir.
You close this and open that again, sir.
Open that again. Share that again.
Okay, okay. Directly I will go for net only. Okay. Now web page is visible, madam. Is web page visible?
No, sir. Your video.
No, sir.
Okay,
You
okay.
have to share that.
Okay, okay. Now I have understood. Okay, for example, I want to take an image. There are certain websites, for example, Pixabay. Net is slow, I think. For example, I am saying market. These are the images. Let us click on one. Either to the right side or bottom, they will give the right. See here, Pixabay license. Here you are able to see, no? To the right side of the image, Pixabay license. If we click on that,
Yeah.
here it will indicate what type of, whether it is CCO or CCA, share alike, that will be mentioned here. On this it is not showing. Let us try for another picture. For example, I'm typing as marketing. Images, if we go here to the right side corner, we are able to see settings. The other way to check it, I am saying, go to settings, advanced search. In the advanced search, come to the bottom, use rights. By default, it is showing no filtered by license. Now we are saying free to use, share, modify, even commercially. If we click on this, the image files which are given as license by the author, as if he has given license as share, modify, and use commercially, then only those pictures will be displayed. Now this image I am clicking. Okay, here it is saying Wikipedia. This Wikipedia licenses are attribution CC by SCA. Here, if we open this link, we will be able to see the attribution link mentioned at the bottom or to the right side. See here, external. Sorry, why it is not showing, I am not understanding. I have tried it and I have checked few information also. It will show us.
I have a doubt. Is this only for the images, or you can find out what kind of license it is for any other documents also?
Even documents also.
Supposing we are using any document.
For anything we can find out,
So
madam.
depending upon what kind of license it is, if it is a license which is which is can be used as it is, we can use them without
We can use them.
any kind of copyright
Yes.
use.
Like
So we need
copyright,
to
we can.
check with the what kind of license is that.
Yes, we have to check it. Let me try files. Why I'm showing this is in Moodle generally we'll be using image files and document files. So at that time it will be a problem for us if we are not checking and using. We are going to infringe the right. Okay, I opened National Digital Library of India. Is it visible now?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm opening a file in National Digital Library. For me, your internet connection is unstable. That might be the problem also. This is the embedded file. For the embedded files, I think we cannot get. It is asking to log in. Okay. Now is it visible now, madam? If you are able to see here, it is showing as CCO, this image file. In the image file to the right side, if you observe here, it is showing as CCO. It is public domain. It can be used freely. So whatever the documents and everything which you are finding, we need to identify this, which type of licensing it is. So this is the picture I have taken from Pixabay only. I tried again. Even the same will be there for YouTube also. In YouTube, how to identify the Creative Commons license in YouTube. I'm typing cost accounting.
In YouTube, images or any videos?
Video files. It is having the filter option. If we search in the filter option, there will
Video
be,
files.
for example, here filter option is there here to the left side. If you click on that, there is here Creative Commons. Means prior to, if we select without selecting Creative Commons, all sort of video files, YouTube files have been visible to us. But if we click on this Creative Commons, only those licensed videos will be displayed here. we can make use of it. Here they will be giving whether it is CCO or share alike, no derives, everything will be mentioned to the right side of this videos. Why I am able to not find, I am unable to understand. But to the beside of the video file, below the link itself, they will be showing which type of license it is. I have tried and made use of it also. So now I am unable to trace.
Do 1 minute meditation, Sai.
Sir, okay, madam. This how to identify
Relax.
this? I will. No problem. How to identify that pathway and everything? I will send in the group again. Let us go for the actual one module. That is add an activity or
Yeah.
resource. I think my internet connection is unstable. At any time, if it is disconnected within span of 5 minutes, I will get connected with the hotspot.
You first finish that part, sir. If there is
Ah.
time, then we'll get back to this.
Okay. Yeah.
Until Sai sir logs in, Ravi
No,
sir, your
madam.
background image is very nice.
Madam, I didn't change. Good morning, all of you, madam. I didn't want to disturb you because the
Okay.
session.
Okay.
No,
We
he's
are.
logging in. I said that is why in the
Okay.
meantime, I wanted to tell you, I put up your FTP image. Yeah, Sai sir.
Madam. Okay.
Yes.
Creating course and everything we all know. How to? There are many resources and activities. How to manage those? I will not all, but I will try to cover few. Even I have explored only few only. So whatever I have learned, I am trying to share with you now. In the course, we have to turn on editing, as we all well aware of it. Net is too slow, madam, here. Is buffering. Okay. Add an activity or resource. Activities and resources. First, let us see resources. So after turn on editing in the coursework, if we go to add activity or resource, the book option. Generally, first primarily what I have thought is book means we can upload any book in the Moodle, but it is not uploading a book. We are supposed to create a book. That is how we shall see now. Add, click on add. For example, I want to create book on research methodology. Some description can be given here. All these are common settings which we will be seeing in each and every type of resource or activity. The appearance, whether it is numbers or images. Numbers, bullets, intended. This indicates that in table of contents, as in any book, if we see table of contents, there will be first unit for 1.1. 1.1 is introduction, 1.2 is definition, 1.3 nature and scope, 1.4 advantages, like that. If we keep these numbers in the table of content, it will show as numbers. If we keep bullets instead of numbers, it will show as bullets. Indent, it will not take as 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Only for first introduction or whatever the first title we are giving, it will take with number. Remaining everything will be put aside. By giving some gap, it will start from after 4 or 5 words ending, it will be beginning. Style of navigation means from one page to the other page in the document, if how we want to navigate from first page to the second page, second to the third, through by table of contents or by images or text. Let us see one by one. I am keeping as numbers and taking as table of contents. Custom tiles, remaining everything, common module settings and everything are common in each and every activity. Save and display. Only the name of the book has been created. Now, if I want to, add certain content and information in that book. For that purpose, we have to give chapter title, content and everything. Some content I have prepared by, I'm taking that information. Okay. Chapter title I am giving as chapter title I am giving as first unit, marketing research dynamics. Here some introductory content I have kept. Then save changes. See here to the right side, there is one block created, table of contents. I want to add one more topic to this. So go to add new chapter. To the right side, if you are able to observe the cursor. Is it visible, madam?
Yeah, this window has to be moved. Yeah, now it is visible.
Okay.
Yeah.
For every 3-4 minutes, any one of you please say okay.
Yeah.
Why means I am not able to understand whether you are able to see or not.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, go up to here. It is clear, no? In Moodle, add an activity or resource. Creation
Yes,
of book
sir.
title.
You are
Thank you.
creating a book now.
Yeah, we are creating a book.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
The first unit, I am saying it as marketing research dynamics. So I want to add the chapter. Go to add new chapter. Then we have to give the subtitle. For example, introduction. If we want to make it as a subchapter, means in the first unit 1.1, then give it as subchapter. Click on this. Then add some content. I'm taking the content from Word file. I have added the content. Then save changes. Here it is showing 1.1 is introduction. Now again, if I want to add subchapter or a new chapter, go to add new chapter and give the title. I'm giving definitions of research. Then save changes. Here it is showing definition of research. So like this, subchapter and chapter will be created. Even if you want to add a new chapter, for example, second unit, then also go and click on add new chapter.
New chapter.
The same procedure it is. So this is how the book is created. So this is table of contents is showing as numbers 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 like that. If I want to show it as different, as I said, go to edit settings. Instead of numbers, if we were saying as indent or images, then we have to make modification in the modification page, the course page. Appearance, I'm making it as bullets.
Bullets.
Save and display. Once we click on save and display, to the right side, we are able to see Unit 1 Marketing Research Dynamics. Introduction, earlier it is 1.1. Definition of research, earlier it is 1.2. Now it is taking as bullets. That is how it will be showing as bullets. That is the other option. One more option is there, indent. Indent means giving space before starting of the line. Appearance, indent, save and display. See here, there are no numbers, no bullets. By giving certain space before the starting of the line, it has been started. So the navigation can be done through introduction, definition by clicking on this. Hyperlinks will be created directly. So this is how the book is created. This is only for representation of whether in terms of numbers, table of contents and of numbers or indent or bullet. The navigation process is different again. Again, go to appearance, style of navigation. Earlier we have seen table of contents. Now image. Save and display. See here, within this research methodology, there is one arrow mark created, right and left. I am clicking the right arrow. Then the left arrow is also activated. Again, if I click right arrow, it will be going to definition of research. Is it clear? The one more option is images. Images means in case of this this style, images, sorry, what is this style? 1 minute. In the other option, there are no arrow marks displayed. Only to navigate from one page to the other page, it will be displaying. I'll show even that also. Text. One more option is text. Save and display. Save and display. See here, it is showing as in terms of next introduction. Text has been displayed for navigation purpose. So in terms of appearance, for table of contents, we are having 3, that is numbers, bullets or indent. And navigation through table of contents, through images, through text. So this is the last third one, text. This is how the book is created. This is the creation of the book. How it looks on the course page. Let us see now. A book icon will be displayed. Net connection slow. Here I have created research methodology book in session 1. So like this, book icon will be created. Is it okay, madam? Creation of book?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. The next activity or resource,
One doubt.
madam.
So if at all we have to create a book like this, it means that can we create a book for the overall course at a stretch, or are we supposed to create it?
That is our wish, madam.
Our
Even
wish.
Our
Our
wish.
wish. No, that is what. That means for the entire course also we can prepare one input.
Entire course also we can create and
One
put.
every.
The benefit
But
is
that we have to put it in announcements or somewhere like that.
That we can keep in announcements. If you are keeping the entire book at one place, or if you are drafting the entire book at one place, we can take print also. See here, print book is their option. You are able to see, no, madam? Print book.
Yes,
if you
yes.
say print
Yes,
book,
sir.
one window will be popped up through that. See here, the file. Generally, these are this appearance will be for all the PDF files which you download from Google. The same type of file will be generated. We can download the book and use.
And what about the IPR issues?
That we have to check at the time of creation only, sir. Why means what is the content we are placing on the Moodle? First we have to check it, and then only we have to keep. Once we are uploading on the Moodle means it is public. No, any guest also can. Any person who is able to access through in the form of guest, they can come and see.
They can come and see, and also, any number of copies can be printed.
Any number of copies can be printed.
Then we are at
No, sir, guest will not have all the rights. I think only he can see.
No.
Only for us and the students who are enrolled for that course, they only can download and view the book.
Yeah, if one
also.
of students downloads and distributes to 10 colleges, 200 students,
Yes.
1 copy is downloaded.
Sir, regarding that part, I don't know how we have to check that. Okay.
So
let us move to the next activity. For this demo purpose, I will create everything in session 1 only. I means again later on I can delete easily. Okay. Next one is file option. This file option enables us to upload any file. It may be in terms of images or text files. I think already we might have used this uploading of files earlier. So add it. Add.
Yes, sir.
Here net is slow. That's why I'm repeating twice and twice. Okay, I'm giving the name of the file. Research process. Video conference. Description can be given. If we are having any file, directly we can drag and drop. Otherwise, by clicking add new file, upload a file. Manu, close the door.
And this is
Choose
a
a
common
file.
feature which all of us have.
Yes. So I'll show here. If I am not uploading a file now, see here, madam. Choose license. 1 minute. Banu, door close it. Banu, door close it. sorry, choose license is there. The earlier what you have discussed
License.
are different types of licenses. Those are available here. Means if you have extracted any information, then we have to give whatever that attribution is there, whether it is Creative Commons share alike, Creative Commons no commercial share alike, no commercial derives. This we have to give, specify the right here. So this is generally we have to observe this. Earlier we used to upload the file, but I have not checked whether the other members have checked or not. I don't know, but I have not checked.
Sai sir,
Madam.
sir, in this choose license, earlier I didn't see so many options. Is this the updated one, Moodle?
Updated only. All the types is there. No Creative Commons, no derives.
Because I know few other public.
Public domain, no derives, no commercial derives,
Okay.
no commercial share alike, share alike. All types are covered.
Okay, because I didn't see the other options earlier. That's why.
Okay.
Okay.
So that is the purpose I try to show Creative Commons, how to identify.
This is 3.5, right?
Which one, sir?
This version is 3.5.
That's what I'm asking, sir. The version that we use, I think, is a bit different. I didn't see these options earlier.
Madam, regarding all those, I don't have any information. Just whatever the
Okay.
module that we are using, in that only I have explored and I am trying to exhibit here.
Okay.
That's it. I think
Okay,
updated
sir, okay.
version
Thank
is
you.
also 3.2 only. Even when I search for some information, 3.2 only I got. So it might be 3.2 only. Okay, this is
Okay.
the appearance of the file will be as when we go to the course page. The appearance will be like this. File icon will be displayed on course page. For example, here. Where is the file? See, this is the file icon. The next activity or resource. Again, we are supposed to turn on editings. Add an activity or resource. We have completed book file. Now folder. Like the general common folder, how we will be using in the system to keep all the files. In the same manner, all files can be zipped in one folder and uploaded. And students also can download the zipped file and unzip the file and use the files. Add. We need to give the name of the folder. I'm giving as marketing research. Marketing research. Description. If you want to display the description on the course page, keep this checkbox ticked. Files. Add new files. Choose the files and here we are able to see Creative Commons, the file name, which type of license it is, we have to give here and upload the file. And save and display. Now I'm not creating any file here. I'll show already with the folder which has been created, how it will appear. It is getting buffered. It is slow. See here, previous papers I have kept folder. Visible, no, madam?
Yeah.
Okay. This is how the folder icon will appear once if we create the folder. Now by clicking this, we can see the contents. See here, previous papers I have given the name of the folder. In that one file is marketing research PDF. This download folder means entire folder. For example, in this there are multiple files, 5 files I have uploaded. Then complete folder will be downloaded. See here, I am clicking on download folder. Zipped file will be downloaded. To the right side, previous papers, zip file is getting opened. This is how the folder will be displayed. So student can download the complete folder, or by clicking on the individual file only they can open. This is how the folder creation and how it look views. The next activity, next resource, sorry, not activity. Again, add on activity or resource. Add an activity or resource. This IMS content and everything, that is somewhat difficult, and it is some standardized package according to the agreement and everything. So that will be difficult for us to understand. Even I couldn't explore properly, so I don't want to discuss on that. Next one is label. This label option is useful for labeling text, video, audio files, any sort of file to label it. The difference between selecting the audio file or text files in this label option and in folder option is different. In case of folder option, the folder will be displayed and folder name. By clicking on the folder, then the files will be displayed. In case of label, directly what are the file we are creating, that file will be displayed on the course page. Okay, and how it is, let us see. Label, add. In the other resources, if we observe, first here it has given name. In label, there is no name. Here I am saying, watch a video on marketing research. Here, these icons, if you are able to observe, for example, advanced search, paragraph styles, bold, italic, numbering, link, and all these are common for, these are generally common for all. So now I am keeping here insert or edit an audio or video file, or otherwise directly I'm going to record a video. Here only I can record a video, record video, and say as start recording video. Once it is clicked at start recording video, recording failed. Why it is getting failed? Recording failed. Here in the Moodle itself,
the camera may not be.
sir, Ravi sir.
Your camera may not be able to support it.
Might be, but in Moodle, in that course page itself, we can create a video file also.
Just try
Okay.
once. Try once again.
Yes, I am trying, sir. Recording video failed.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, it is not save.
Might be
recording.
there's no access to the
No,
camera.
madam.
Yeah, because you're using Zoom right now.
You're already
No,
using
no.
the webcam towards
Yeah, you're already
Okay,
using the
okay.
camera. That's why.
Here it is showing as someone is restricting, so that might be the problem.
Zoom.
I am only using it. It is saying the same thing. Someone is restricting.
Yeah.
By if you observe your record video, video can be recorded. When you are uploading your handout, try to view this record video. In the same manner, audio also can be recorded, and this audio and video files will be displayed on the course page. Now, in the other way, this recording is ourselves. If we want to upload any video, that is insertion of video or audio file. Now I am clicking insert audio or video file. Here, directly we can give the source URL, link, or video. If we are having any YouTube videos link, we can give here. Audio link also we can give here. For example, video link, browse properties. If there are any embedded files, means within the system, if we are having any files, then we can upload it directly. That is upload file through server files. And if you are having an YouTube channel on your name, and if the admin of our Moodle, that is either Bobby sir, the admin Bobby sir or Matthew sir, so they are having the right to give us access to YouTube. So to the right side below Wikipedia, YouTube will be displayed. If we are having our own videos, by clicking on that YouTube, we can attach the file, or otherwise from our desktop, if any video or audio file is there, that video file can be uploaded, like how we normally upload any PDF file or document file or images. See here, there is choose license, Creative Commons. Here we have to give which type of license, licensed document we are using. Here we have to mention. That is the creation of label. Here, as already we are using Zoom, we are unable to record a video. Audio. Okay, let me take one YouTube. YouTube. Financial accounting. I will take one video and I will again delete it. I will upload this. I'll copy this. Link I am going to share. Link. Source URL. Insert media. Save and return to course. Every year 9 months. It is getting buffered. Please wait. Okay. In session 1, I have created a YouTube file. That file will be displayed here. In the same manner, the recorded file also will be displayed. That is the difference between this label and creation in folders. In folder, if we create, after opening that folder only, the file will be visible to us on the course page. Whereas in case of label, on the course page directly, this video is visible. Is it okay, madam?
Yeah, I understood.
Okay. As we have not checked whether it is coming at which type of license, I am deleting it. Okay. The next activity or resource, page URL. This, by using this page, we can create the web page. Like in a web page, we can create some page. This page will be directly displayed on the course page. Add. I'm giving the name as page demo. Page demo. Just I will keep some information. Disclose. Content. Content also I am keeping some information. See here, once this appearance common module settings, for each and every course activity or resource, this will be the same. Display page name, page description, and everything. So select it. Common module setting, show on course page or hide from students. So the benefit of this is, for example, now only we are creating the entire in e-content and uploading on the Moodle. If we want to hide from the students and show it to them on the date of the session, then we can use this option. show on the course page or hide. This ID number we don't have. We are not having any IDs which we have created. If you are having specific file ID, then we can give it, but not required. Restrict access. Add a restriction. There are 5 types, 6 types. Activity completion, date, grade, user profile, restriction. So depending on, for example, if you are saying that on completion of activity means once the purpose is met by the student, then it will get restricted for access. This, I think we are only except date restriction, that is for assignment or anything only we will be giving. Remaining everything will keeping access for the students only. So activity completion. This all things we have done already in assignment when we are given assignment. Save and display. See here, this is how the page has been created. How it appears on the course page we shall see now by going back to the course page in session 1. It is getting buffered. See here, page demo I have created earlier. So your page has been created. By clicking on this, it is displayed. Again, further modification if you want to do, go to setting, edit settings, modify it and do it. Okay. Next, activity or resource. Every time for adding any activity or resource, we need to go back to the course page. Up to here it is clear, no madam? Bhikshapati sir, is it clear? Avita
sir
madam,
is
Deepa madam,
absconding.
Amulya madam.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, okay.
It's clear.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Thank you, madam.
I'm not absconding.
Here internet is also slow.
Bhikshapati sir is not absconding.
Okay. The one more resource is URL. This URL is directly an URL can be displayed on the course page. The difference between label, page and URL, all these three are almost similar according to my understanding. In label, video or audio files, it will be displayed on the course page. Whereas page, only the web page which is created, that is displayed. In case of URL, only link will be displayed. The difference between this page and URL is page is being created by ourselves. When we are creating any content, we are going to create the page. If we want to give any access of external to our knowledge, then by going to URL, add. As how we have added YouTube video link, the same procedure. Name of the file, external URL.
Yeah, this I think people now have understood now. This not
Same
needed demo, sir.
Okay, madam. Here one thing is there, URL variables. This we have to give again. URL variables, parameter variable. Even I didn't understand. I need to check course ID. This everything is there in this. So whether it is depending upon ID number, it will display, or what is this? Actually, I am also trying to explore it. What is the purpose of this URL variables? But if we give the link, external link directly, it will be displayed on the course page, and students can download. Then they can access and download the information. Someone is trying to say something. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually, Ravi sir has left. Yes, sir has said that he has some other meeting actually.
Yeah, Ravi sir has left.
Okay. Why means there is unstable internet connectivity, so some buzzing sound is coming to me. That's why someone is talking. Okay. In resources activity, you have completed creation of book, creation of file, creation of folder, label, page, and URL. This IMS content I didn't understood, so I don't want to stress on that. coming to the activities, assignment we have already done. Next one is,
You can explain quiz.
I think we have done, no, madam, already.
Yeah, done. But then, as sir was saying, did you explore that part, sir? Like session wise beginner. Now,
I have done. I have done it.
Session wise you have added. So when the entire question bank appears, from
Yes.
there, how do we prepare a question paper?
I have done it. I will show. Okay, I'll
That
directly
part,
go to
if
the.
you can show, then, I mean, if it is really that easy, all teachers will try to create that quiz at every
Okay.
session or topic.
Okay. Okay, madam. I'll continue. Quiz creation. I think there is a requirement of saying again how to prepare the question bank. That is question paper that we shall see by through session wise quiz pages.
Now, quiz is there no easy method? We need to do it like that, and that in some format
No,
we type.
No, madam. Already, for example, here for session one, under session one, already I have created some quiz, basics of research.
Yeah.
In this, I have given some 3-4 questions. Where is that? Edit settings. I have created for 2-3 sessions preview quiz. For this session, I have created only 2. For demo purpose only, I have done this. 2 questions I have given in session 1. Like that, in the same manner for session 2 and session 3 also, 3 questions like that I have created. So in this 6 to 7 questions, if you want to create a question paper, in session 2 again there is quiz. Session 3 also there is
quiz. Okay.
So now if you want to create a quiz, that is to conduct an exam. In announcements I am creating, add an activity, quiz, add. I am giving name as demo exam. If you want to give any description, already we know, so unnecessary wastage of time. Timing, grade, everything.
All that is okay.
Save and display. Edit quiz. After editing quiz, as we already know, add new question from question bank, random questions. Now I am saying from random questions. See here, already the previous questions in 2 pages, it is displayed. Action means 1 question, which of the following deals with, identify the type of research. So I have given here 2 options, like that. There are short questions, multiple choice questions, and everything already we have done. So add random questions. Here I am giving include questions from subcategories too. If any subcategory questions, I think this I have not explored subcategories. Number of questions. For example, I am saying 3 questions. Already for session 1, 2 questions I have given. Session 3, 3 questions. Session 2, 4 questions, something like that. Totally nearly 10 questions I have created within the course page, session wise. So by clicking on random, add random question. Only 3 questions I am saying to upload. So 3 questions will be displayed here. 3 questions. But I couldn't find as from session 1 question, session 2 2 questions, like that proportion of what you have discussed in the previous staff meeting. Deepa madam has said, even Kavita madam has also said some tag information. I have tried that, but session wise I couldn't get. randomly, if we give a random question, it has selected few questions. Then save.
So actually, principal sir was saying, when you add it, it will give you an option like from which topic, how much part of the question paper you want.
That
Say
proportion
from this
only I didn't
you
find,
want
madam.
20%, from this unit you want 40% questions.
That I couldn't get from question bank.
Mhm.
From question bank means for three units, for 3 sessions, what I have created, that is displayed as complete question bank. From this, we have to check. If we keep check mark to this and add selected questions to the quiz, then it will be added. But I cross verified when we are giving as random questions and again coming back and adding through question bank, sometimes the same question is getting repeated. For example, action research means if this question has been updated when we are creating through random question. Through question bank also, if we are creating, again it is showing here. So that we have to cross check. So what I have understood is, if we are creating through random questions, then we need to fix completely on random questions only. From entire course page, whatever the quiz options each session wise is there, from that it will take randomly. Otherwise, come to add question from the question banks and select the desired questions. Then click on save. 2 more questions I have saved. So total 5. Here we are able to see random default, random default, random default. Is it okay, madam?
Yes, okay, I understood.
Session wise proportion I didn't find, madam. I tried it, but
No, I understood.
We will check that, sir.
Yes, madam. We have to ask to.
We have to practice.
No, for Matthew sir and Bobby sir only, we have to consult regarding that. Some information.
Yeah, because sir was specifically telling that we will get that option.
Yes.
I mean, he was pretty sure about it.
Yeah. Because when he was told, when he was telling, he was like, if we just select the session from the selected things only, you will get randomly. He was telling that, no?
Yeah.
So, yeah, we should explore more.
One more, add an activity. Chat. Chat is like what we'll be doing in through WhatsApp or any other sort of chatting. Same information. Same type of mode of communication, not same information. For example, I'm creating here demo chat. Particular topic I'm saying. Topic day 1. Topic day 1. Display on course page. Chat session. Here we can give timings. When will the next chat will be, whether we have to repeat that chat again or not. This we have to mention here. Save past sessions for 365 days, 180 days. Let us, we shall give as never delete messages. Everyone can view past sessions. Yes or no. Means whether students will be able to view or not. If we are keeping no, then no one will be able to view the past sessions. Only we will be able to view, I think. Common module settings. Show on course page. Group mode. Here there is group mode, separate group, visible group. Means for example, in a class of 60 members, if we are creating 6 groups, 10 members each group, and we are saying as this separate group or visible group. Separate group means those 10 members in that one group, they can chat within their group. They will not be visible to the others. Visible groups, they will be operating within their group and they will be able to even see the other group also. That is separate and visible. Separate, visible, and keeping it as visible. Grouping. This grouping is supposed to be done at the time of creation of course itself. In the course page creation, if you go to common module settings, this option will be there. But how to create that group? I think if the students are enrolled, then only we can create the group. As students are not enrolled, so I was unable to group it when I tried. So at the regular practice, we can group the students when they are enrolled. Restrict access, similar to the earlier what you have seen, add restriction. We need to select that. Activity completion, tags and everything. Save and display. Now we will be navigating to the course page. See here, demo chat. The name I have given as demo chat. Description is topic day 1. Okay, let us come from the course page. Return to course. Demo chat here, demo chat, topic day 1. So by clicking on this, chat window will be opened. Visible group all participants. Click here to enter the chat now. By clicking on that, a window will be popped up. Then here we have to check. I'm giving as hi. See here, hi. So this is how it will appear the chat, like how we will be doing generally through WhatsApp and everything. This is synchronous communication, simultaneous. So after completion of chat, close it. Use more accessible interface, or click here to chat. Use more accessible interface. Again, a window will be displayed. Is this window visible, madam?
I mean, the demo chat window is open. After that, there's that only.
Why means by
accessible interface, but that is not opened.
Okay, why means there are hyperlinks. If we observe here, the cursor point. Click here to enter the chat now. By clicking on that, one more window is being opened. That is the reason I am asking whether the one more window is able to view or not.
That chat one was open.
Okay, I think now this 2021 SEM5 EMR demo chat participants. This is visible now.
No.
Now it is
No,
not.
sir, it's not visible.
Now it is not. You were typing at hi. That I could see. That chat I could see. I mean, that I could see. But now what you want to say?
Okay, madam. I think again the new window has been opened now. So there again screen sharing should be done, I think. So you're able to see these options. Click here to enter the chat now. Use more accessible interface.
Yeah,
Yes,
that
we can see.
So if we click on that, one more window will be open. We have to navigate it through. This is how the chat window will be displayed. Okay, madam.
Okay, sir. And one more thing, is it a group chat or a host to many students chat, sir?
Sir, here we have given as visible group.
Group, that means it's a kind of group chat.
Group chat only. Visible
Okay,
groups are, as I said, it can be under separate groups also.
Okay, sir, fine.
Separate group means, for example, now we are 17 members. If 2 to 4 members, we are divided into one group. That is separate. Means within the group only we can chat. For example, you, me, Ravi sir and Bhikshapati sir, one group. Within us only we can chat. That is separate group. If we are named it as visible group, then 4 of us will be chatting within us, and we'll be able to see even the others also. Means the other group, the second group also we'll be able to see.
Okay.
That is the difference. So this group creation must be done at the time of course creation only.
Okay.
And for the group purpose, we need to have students enrolled. Then only we can clearly differentiate between visible group, who are visible groups, and who are separate groups.
Separate. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Next activity. Your net is too slow, madam. I think because of rain only. Add an activity. Choice. This choice is like polling. We are asking students
like
to
what?
poll. Polling.
This polling is one thing which sir was saying. Principal sir was asking like this could be one way of keeping students engaged.
Yes.
Between the classes, we can have polls.
Yes. So add this. I am giving as demo poll. Description. I'm giving as demo poll. I'm saying it as COVID has affected drastically. Here.
Yeah.
Display horizontal or display vertical. I'm not giving any course description page. Display horizontal, display vertical means the options either to display it vertically or horizontally. Better to prefer horizontal. Allow choice to be updated. No. Once they have given the choice, that should be the final. So no. Allow more than one choice to be selected. No. Generally, we are keeping the poll only for one choice. So we should not give choice for one more selection of multiple. Limit number of responses. If you observe here, limit 1, limit 2, limit 3, it is displayed as it is filled with, it is not enabled. It is completely disabled. If you see here 0, 0, where you are able to see 0, the cursor is moving. Please observe.
Because there we are limiting. It is no.
We are limiting it. Once if we say yes, it will be enabled. Here, yes, everything is enabled. Now I'm doing no. It will be disabled. So limit the number of responses allowed. So we are keeping as yes. We are limiting. N number of choices we can give. For example, option 1 I am saying as yes. Option 2 I am saying no. Somewhat. Like that, n number of options we can give. Here, as we said, limit the number of responses allowed. Here, limit the responses can be made in terms of groups also. Means in the group we have said 60 students, group of 10 each. So 6 groups. If we are saying limit 1 to in group we are having 10 members. So I am keeping it as 3. So in that group, only 3 chances will be given. 3 times only they can give their opinion from the group. Means 3 members they can give. In option 2, limit 2, I'm saying that it is 6. 6 members can give their poll. So that is limiting within the group again. Without taking complete 60 members poll, we are limiting it to group. Means they have, if it is the group based group work, if we have assigned, then within themselves after discussion they need to give their poll. Only 3 chances. Here in this second option, 6 chances will be allowed. Let us see the first one, 3. 10 groups, 3 chances means 30 overall in the class. 30 responses can be viewed for this option 1. 30 responses have been limited. In case of this 6 times we are limiting, and 6 groups, so 36 responses are limited for this option. Is it clear, madam? Shall I tell you once again?
I think it's already 5:30. Can we wind up faster?
Okay, madam.
Because people might be having.
Okay, madam. 10 minutes I'll take. Again, we have to go for availability. From which date onwards? The same thing how we have done for assignment, we have to give availability. Results, whether to display or not. These everything are similar again. Save and display. See here, the results of this activity will not be published after your answer. Demo poll, COVID has affected drastically. We need to give. The students will be giving their opinion. We can view the responses. View responses. As there are no students enrolled and no allocation of groups has been done, it is showing like this. Number of responses. Who this information can be downloaded. Download in ODS format, Excel format, or text format. Which selected how many has given for yes, how many has given for no, how many has opted for somewhat. This is how it will be created, and we can continue for poll. Again, I am going back to the next activity, course page. For each and every activity or course, we are supposed to navigate through the course page only. Why means add activity or resource session option is available only in that course page. This database external control, this is also somewhat I need to understand. So I'm not going to stress even on that. There is feedback. This feedback predefined feedback will, sorry, this feedback can be used for taking feedback. We have to define, means the teacher can define the set of questions. Add.
So feedback we have already done, no? At the time of the internals, we have given at the time of online classes.
Shall I skip this, madam?
Yeah, because we have already, people have already done it, no?
Yeah.
But only thing is, not all of them run on Moodle, so most of them have done through Google Form as well.
Okay, madam.
But that's a simple thing they can always.
This forum, I think forum already we have done in the announcements. When the course has been created, by default one announcement will be created. Difference between the chat and forum is forum will be asynchronous information. Means asynchronous communication means like blogs, like Twitter. If we take, one member will be giving the comment. After some time, again the host will be giving the response to it. So that is in the form of forum. This is similar to the chat. Announcements already we have done. We are aware of. So I'm not going to go for forum also. Glossary is to create.
Yeah, I think.
We shall wind
I think,
up,
sir,
madam.
we'll wind up.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Because it's been long, no?
Only
might be. Time when, next week again, if there's something to be added.
Okay.
Deepa ma'am is taking something. We'll see at that time if there's something to be added.
Okay,
No doubt, madam.
Which was that?
Yes, sir.
No doubt clarification.
We can have, sir. If there are any questions people want to ask, can ask.
Sai sir.
Sir.
While creating the course, it will ask the course category.
Course category.
Category. So we cannot choose the students of current year, right? 2020-21 students.
Course category.
Course category is categories, sir, not students.
It's not about students, sir. Course
It is with
category
regarding
is
to-
whether it is discipline specific elective or whether it is AEC or whether it is CC.
Okay, okay.
That is the course category. That by default the admin will create it.
Okay.
We need to only select from there.
Okay, okay.
All those we will collectively do afterwards, sir. The front page, how I mean, how should we create the name and last time how we would have a common way of putting it for all the classes. That all we will do later on. As of now, this stage we will just assemble everything and keep. Okay, before we wind up, I had actually told
Durga to remind something.
Yeah, but luckily I one important thing is that today sir was talking about the people who have not paid fees as yet.